What is your sense of the gold price? Do you see it just continuing?
Yeah, look, I mean, I think a lot of people are asking exactly this question, right? Because typically when you see something repriced this quickly,
Yeah.
the natural fear is that it may be moving too quickly, it may be overdone. What we are seeing right now is just the beginning of the unwinding of a 50-year compression and demonetization of gold. Post 1971, everybody was moving out of gold into dollars and oil as a reserve asset. It took 50 years to compress gold to its sort of central point of meaninglessness that people saw it at a couple of years ago. The problem is that those people who've now successfully mounted a challenge to US dollar hegemony, led principally by China as the currency issuer and Russia as the world's largest energy producer, they started buying gold hand over fist in 2014. It is only now, and really since the conflict between Russia and Ukraine and the Biden administration's decision to sanction Russia's treasuries, that essentially the straw broke the camel's back. U.S. treasuries are no longer seen as a safe reserve asset. And only for the past 2 to 2.5 years have we started to see the beginning of the unwinding of the compression of gold as a monetary instrument. We have to unwind 50 years of compression in the next 5 to 10. That's exciting. But consider, what are we unwinding? What we're unwinding is the monetization of debt. Or put another way, we're remonetizing gold, and the amount of money that has been printed since gold was demonetized is a large, double digits multiple of the amount of money that existed at that time. So when you consider, the real question is how far does gold remonetize? Because the quantum of capital in nominal terms that has to find its way back into gold to get back to some kind of level is a large multiple of the quantum capital that got squeezed out of it. So it's really hard to predict. I tend to hold the view that I would be, at least in the next 3 years, very surprised if we didn't see 5,000 US dollar gold. In the next 10 years, I would be very surprised if we didn't see $7,000 to $8,000 gold. And I'm honestly not sure beyond there. But what we're watching is, and I think more people are finally acknowledging this is a structural realignment of a unipolar monetary paradigm that is now a multipolar paradigm.
Okay.
And there's a lot of interesting things going on. That's a very long conversation for another day, so I'll stop economizing for you.